Hey, Dutch, you in there? Guys, Keeping It Dutch is almost at 100,000 subscribers.
That's a lot of subscribers.
We only have like 17,000 and he's at 100,000. So he has this competition going on and we're gonna enter and hopefully win.
You guys, you know that we have talked about him before and we are asking you guys to go check out his channel, subscribe to his channel. It is so worth it. We subscribed a long time ago.
Long time ago.
We're just asking you to go give him a thumbs up. Go give him a subscribe.
He's like less than 2,000 away from hitting 10,000, so we can be a part of this and help him out. In return, he's helping us out. Because guess what? We're gonna be on his playlist, whether we win or not, and if we do win, he's gonna give us a shout out and put all our videos on his playlist, I think.
And I think it'd be super awesome if you guys do check out his channel and you like him and you do subscribe, comment on one of his videos and tell him that we sent you. So one of Dutch's rules is to let you guys know why we love homesteading.
So let's go tell you why we do this.
So why do I love homesteading? I absolutely love gardening. I had no idea that I was gonna fall in love with gardening. And we have such a huge garden right now, and this year, last year it was too big, and this year we came to find out it's not big enough. So we are going to have to expand next year and grow a lot more, so we are super excited about that. Not only that, but I get an awesome workout on the homestead. I get to get creative with what I do. I can't go to a traditional gym, it's just way too far away. So I just stay home and I get creative and I work really hard and I get it done.
So one of the main reasons I like to homestead is because I'm a Texan and I like to barbecue. But wait, where's my apron? There it is. So here at the homestead, we love to grow our own food. We have corn, asparagus, onions, tomatoes, peppers, anything and everything you could think of growing in our garden. We get nail-guy meat. We like to raise our own chickens, quail, all sorts of meat birds. Have a family ranch in South Texas we can go hunt anytime. So we like to know where all of our meat comes from. It doesn't just magically show up at the grocery store pre-packaged. Somebody has to go out there and butcher the animal, and we'd rather just do that ourselves.
So as you guys know, Jared likes to barbecue. We need the animals to barbecue, and one of my favorite things of homesteading is raising these animals. No, we're not gonna eat all our animals, but it's awesome to have some of the little goats as our pets. Chickens, Jaylena absolutely loves the chickens. We got quail, we got a rabbit. We're gonna get more meat rabbits. We love our animals. We have dogs. We moved out here because we have like 10 rescue dogs. We needed more room for them. Our animals mean the world to us, and to know that we could barbecue from the animals that we raise here and have pets as well, no brainer. We love homesteading. And another awesome thing about this homesteading life is we built our own house with our own blood, sweat, and tears. We bought a shed shell and turned it into a house. Who could say that? We turned this shed into a house because that's what we want to do. We're young, we're gonna be debt-free, we're gonna be mortgage-free. That's just another awesome thing of homesteading, is to help us get debt-free at a young age. And like you said, Dutch, you made me do this, so this is your fault. Thanks a lot, Dutch.